Hey, how's it? I'm Ray and you are watching the best energy tips, and the topic for today is refrigerators and freezers. So pay attention, listen up, and I will share some tips with you that could save you some cash. Alright, let's go! Here's your first tip. Make sure that your fridge has about an inch cooling space all around. Without this proper space, your refrigerator might not cool down the way it's supposed to. It's gonna get too hot and then you gotta call the police and a fireman. Also, make sure that your fridge is in the most coolest spot in the room and not in direct sunlight. Minimize the amount of times you open your fridge. Keep it open no longer than 5 seconds. My girlfriend always tell me, what, do you live in a barn? No. Hungry. Avocado. Oh, arugula.
Bruh, I smell thirsty.
Here's a really good tip. Let hot foods cool first before you put them in the fridge.
Ooh, it's gonna be good leftovers.
Alright guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. But stay tuned for this next video for more energy saving tips. And then also don't forget to download the PDFs and then take the quiz and then test yourself and then start saving some cash. Alright.